Welcome once again to my channel. God bless you for always clicking on my videos. All right, today I want to show you how to make a very nice toilet wash that keeps your toilet seat sparkling and free from germs. This formula is made to suit every home, whether you have kids or adults, in a school or hospital, anywhere at all. You can use this recipe to keep your restroom very clean, nice scented and free from germs. Okay, what I have in the bowl is caustic soda, which is about 500 grams of caustic soda, and I just dissolved it with 2.5 liters of water. That is what I'm dissolving right now. The ingredients are not many at all. Caustic soda, sulfonic acid, HCl, which is hydrochloric acid, and then colorant. That's all you need. And your toilet is sparkling and free from germs. Okay, so you dissolve the caustic soda and make sure that all the heat is evolved. You send out all the heat and then you allow it to rest. Okay, so you make sure that you dissolve the caustic soda very well. When it's ready, all the whitish foam there will be out of the surface. That is how you know that yes, it's ready. You allow it to cool down. So when the light solution is formed, then you move on to dissolving your sulfonic acid. Now, if your caustic soda is in lump, like the one I used here, it's definitely going to take you a few more minutes longer than it ordinarily would have taken to dissolve. So that is why you see I was taking enough time, to dissolve every part of it. Okay, but if your caustic soda is powdered, very easy, it will just dissolve quickly and the heat will be sent out immediately. All right, so whatever one you are using, just allow it to cool down a little while you move on to dissolving your sulfonic acid. All right, I'm going to use 2.5 liters of water again to dissolve the sulfonic acid. And the sulfonic acid I'm using is 500 ml, which is half a liter of sulfonic acid. But before then, I want to make it thicker, so I added this little quantity of nitroso just to make it a bit thicker. Nitroso is a thickener. It has cellulose, so I added a little of it, added more, just to the extent of thickness that you desire. Okay, so I dissolve it first of all before dissolving my sulfonic acid. Now, as you are adding, you are checking the viscosity of the mixture. If it gets to what you want, you just stop. Okay, what I want is just make it a little bit thicker. Actually, in making toilet wash, you don't need it to be very thick before it can clean. But customers, when you say to them, they will tell you, oh, this one is not thick, it's light. So you have to just make it a little bit thick for them to appreciate the work. All right, so after dissolving the nitroso, I added the sulfonic acid. That sulfonic acid, like I said, is 500 ml, which is half a liter. Then you stir it together. Make sure that it dissolves completely. Of course, when you are dissolving sulfonic acid in water, the color will definitely change from that blackish, liquid to something brownish. Then you know that yes, it has completely mixed up with water. So I stirred until I got to this viscosity. So now it's ready for mixing everything together. So I carried the caustic soda solution, the light solution, and added it to the sulfonic acid that I've dissolved. Down, you do the stirring again. This is where a little bit of work is needed to make sure that everything mixes up completely. You can see the reaction that is going on. Very, very beautiful. And this mixture is very, very effective, kills all the germs and keeps your toilet seat sparkling. You can as well use this one to wash tiles to clean your tiles. It will remove everything, you know, that you have in between tiles. And if it's your toilet, once you apply it to your toilet and you allow it some time and flush, it will clean everything. You don't even need to brush at all. That is how effective this is. So I added some fragrance just to make it, you know, appealing whenever you are washing your toilet. Added some fragrance. This one you can add any fragrance you like. If you like, you can add Bipo, you can add blue water, anyone. Okay, so this is my colorant. So I added my color blue. Blue is perfect for toilet wash because when you use blue to wash toilet, it appears very sparkling and clean. You know, if you use another color like you use lemon green or you use pink, the toilet will look dirty. So blue is the color, you know, like sea, blue sea, you understand? Just use blue. When you wash the toilet, everything looks sparkling and clean. That is why this color, you must stick to it when you are making toilet wash. All right, so after mixing it up this way, the next thing is to add the HCl, which is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid has diluted and has concentrated. So you can use the one that is a bit diluted. So you can see this one is diluted. The smoky effect is not much. And just add it quickly and make sure you are wearing your nose mask, and then you stir again very well. Stir it again very well and make sure that everything is properly mixed up. Then you are going to allow it to cool down before you package it into your dispenser, depending on what you want to use. So I stir it very well, then you allow it to cool down. When it cools down, then you can now package it to put inside nice, you know, containers that you can use to dispense it. Okay, there are customized bottles. You can buy and customize your own. You can buy and have your label, your sticker. You can buy and make it your own, and make sure that you stick to the brand so that your customers will not be confused in the market. All right, that is it. Our toilet wash is ready. This one will keep your toilet clean, sparkling, and free from germs. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like this video, drop your comment below. God bless you.